I just wanted to share with you guys a new tool that I put into Canvas for us. And so if you can look, I'm on our main Canvas page. And this looks a little different because I'm not in the student view, but it's easier for me to show you like this. So if you look at your little content bar over here, if you go down to the bottom, it says Inspace. So you want to go where that says Inspace. And then when you click on that, it's going to take you to two different things, actually three different things. The first thing is I'm trying to hold my drop-in office hours using this new program. It's a little different than Zoom, but similar idea. And so if you see on the top, if you click on that, it tells you or reminds you that our drop-in hours are Tuesdays 11 to 12 and Wednesdays 2 to 2:30. So you can just click on join the space. Now that's if I'm there. So this little grayed out circle, it'll turn green if I'm in my office, which might even be other times than those that are listed here. So you can always pop in if you see a little green spot on there. The really cool thing though that I think that can help you guys out a lot is the study space. So if you click on study space, well actually right before, you can see that this little people symbol, it says 0 people. So there's no one in the study space right now, but if you join it, I'm going to click on it, and you just say join the study space, and then hopefully more people can come in here. But again, it's a time for study sessions, just to hang out, whatever you need here. So if I click on join the space, you can change your name to be your name from class, and you should have your video on. I just had a workout today, but you can turn that off, but it's really nice to see you guys, so if you could turn that on, that would be wonderful. And then you say you're going to join the space. So now I'm in the space, and you can see that there's 4 study group rooms. If someone else was already in here, you could use your arrow keys or your mouse and go over to wherever they are. So if they were in study group 1, or if you just want to hang out in there and see if other people come, that would be good too. Or you can post in the student lounge if you want to and say, hey, you guys want to come tonight, something like that. That would be great. So you see now I'm in the green study room, and again, it's green to let me know that I'm in here. Only people that are inside the study room can hear what's going on. If you want to make it bigger, there's a little arrow here that will expand the page. And then on the right side, one of the cool features is the share option. So there's microphone, video, and then this little start sharing. And you can share your screen. So if you're working like on a particular homework problem, want to ask each other questions, that's great. But you can also use the Miro board, which pops up a little like whiteboard. And so push create board and this whiteboard. So everyone that's in the study room would be able to see this and be able to draw on it and annotate with it. And so on the left side here, I mean, you could do text, you could comment, you could draw. So I'm going to write with the pen right here. If I click on it, and my pen, and so you can say like, hi. And let's work on that polynomial, that one that was kind of hard from class. And so you can kind of work through problems together with this. So I'm going to, the other thing that you can, just so you know, that if you walk out of the room, so I'm going to click there. If I walk out of the room, you can see you can't see what that person's sharing. And then you can also zoom in and out. I like to use my little scroll on my mouse, and you can see what's going on. Or if you want to hop into another room, and then I can hop in here and see what everyone's up to as well. So just a kind of cool feature. When you're ready to leave, you just go to the top right, and there's a little exit and leave. So just if you went to a study group with your classmates, that's what this is. And then you want to leave, so you just hit leave. I'm going to end it for all. It'll just ask if you're sure. And so there you go, all done with that. And so if I go back to the Inspace, again, it shows 0 people, or study space, 0 people, but hopefully you guys can take advantage of this. There's also a little chat for study space. That's another thing. So if you want to start a conversation of questions, really similar to our student lounge. So I'm not really sure, I haven't used this one yet much. But let's see how this goes. So I hope the study space works out. If you have any questions or anything's not working out right for you or anything here, please let me know. And I hope that this is a good thing here.